Yusuf Akturkoğlu, 28 years old, complete spinal cord injury at T7 level for 5 years. The wheelchair, in reality, is a platform invented about 100 years ago and still being developed. There are many types of wheelchairs, such as very lightweight fiber wheelchairs, motorized wheelchairs, standing wheelchairs, and the like. However, because they have been developed based on the same platform, they present similar problems. TEC Robotic Mobilization Device is a brand new platform. This new platform has 4 main advantages. One of the main problems of any wheelchair is that it can only be front-mounted. This is a problem because wherever a person is sitting, like on a couch, bed, toilet seat, or in a chair, his front side is always free, and his body is always resting on his back. For this reason, paraplegic people have to lift their body with their arms, turn their body and throw themselves onto their wheelchairs in order to transfer their body from a bed or a chair. This motion of throwing the body is difficult, dangerous, and almost impossible to do without assistance, especially for older and overweight people. On the other hand, TEC Robotic Mobilization Device can be pulled easily by the user, and the user can mount onto the device securely from its back. Mounting and dismounting on the device can be done successfully in a much safer way since the user is doing so while in a seated position. As a mandatory daily exercise, paraplegic people must stay in a standing position for approximately 1 hour every day. This exercise is of vital importance for preserving the body's health. Existing devices for standing up are either very slow or require too much effort. In contrast, it is very easy and quick to stand up and sit down with TEC Robotic Mobilization Device. The suspension system, containing a gas spring, balances the weight of the user so that standing up requires just a gentle pull. From the moment they wake up, users can mount the device and stand up without need of assistance from others. This comfort encourages the users to stand up countless times and to do various daily activities while standing up. Standing wheelchair-like devices that can move while standing up usually cannot lift their users to a fully upright position. HKAFO and long leg brace-like walking aids can only be used with canes or walkers. To maintain his or her balance while using these devices, the user must manually hold these canes or walkers. In contrast, TEC Robotic Mobilization Device holds the user in a fully upright position while leaving his hands free. This position makes it possible for the user to reach everywhere with free hands and perform many daily tasks such as cooking, washing dishes, ironing, comfortably in environments that are typically not set up for people with physical handicaps. Movements that require both hands, such as carrying a tray, can be easily done with the use of the remote control. Additionally, the user can enjoy being at eye level with other people in his daily life. Presently, TEC Robotic Mobilization Device is the world's smallest motorized standing movement device. It is only 36 centimeters wide and 62 centimeters long. With these dimensions, it covers only 1/3 of the space of a small wheelchair. This way, users can pass through many narrow spaces which they are not able to pass through with a wheelchair of an average width of 60 centimeters. They can also reach places in their home and offices, which is not possible with any other device. Despite its small dimensions, TEC Robotic Mobilization Device is an exceptionally well-balanced device. It grabs the users from the balance points and prevents any misuse or unwanted movements that would result in a loss of balance. Correct standing position and balance are preserved with the TEC Robotic Mobilization Device at all times.
Omurilik yaralanması genellikle
Spinal cord injury is a health problem affecting mostly young adults. The most common causes are accidents, falling, and gunshot wounds. There are approximately 300,000 people in the world each year who face spinal cord injuries. TEC Robotic Mobilization Device is designed for and used by spinal cord injury patients who suffer from weakness in their legs and who have lost their ability to walk due to trauma or illness. People facing spinal cord injuries typically are forced to spend their lives in a wheelchair. In addition to losing their ability to walk, they also lose their ability to stand up. This causes a variety of unwanted health issues, especially problems such as cardiovascular disease, blood pressure irregularity, pressure sores, and loss of bowel and/or bladder functions, which also directly lead to additional medical costs. People with spinal cord injuries need to stand in an upright position for a certain amount of time every day. I don't consider TEC Robotic Mobilization Device just as a device for standing up. Other devices that help patients to stand up are usually structurally bulky, require outside assistance, and cause the user to spend extensive amounts of energy. The main advantages of TEC are that users can do almost everything that non-paraplegic people can do indoors without any assistance and without the need for special modifications. It facilitates active and comfortable participation in social life. And users can bend down and alternate between standing and sitting positions. In fact, the user is able to do so while maintaining safety and balance.